Dumbbell French Press. This is a close grip tricep press. So we're gonna have Michelle grab 2 dumbbells. We're gonna have her lay flat down on this bench. And I've got her at a side angle here on purpose. So what we wanna do is kind of imitate a tricep push-up here. So your elbows are tight, squeezed to your chest. So those dumbbells are actually coming down just above your ribs. And you're gonna keep those elbows in nice and tight. So Michelle's gonna exhale, keeping those elbows in super tight. She's gonna squeeze up, squeezing the chest at the top of the movement. So she's activating those pectorals as well. But the majority of the movement is coming from those triceps. Inhale, come on down. Exhale, push up. Inhale, come down. Exhale, up. Beautiful. Inhale, down. Up. Inhale, down. This is good tempo. Perfect. That is excellent, Michelle. Thank you. That, my friends, is a dumbbell French press. It can be done on a bench or down on the floor. If you don't have a bench, totally fine too. Just stop when your elbows hit the floor.